In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a ticket on the Ticketmaster app. If you have a ticket you can no longer use, Ticketmaster makes the resale process fairly simple right inside the app. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find your event, create the listing, choose how much you want to charge, and set up where your payment should go once the ticket sells. To begin, open the Ticketmaster app on your phone and sign in if needed. Once you're on the main screen, go to the My Events section. This is where Ticketmaster stores the events connected to your account. Find the event for the ticket you want to sell, then tap on it to open the ticket details. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct event, date, and ticket before moving forward, especially if you have multiple upcoming events in your account. Once you're viewing the ticket, look for the sell button and tap it. This takes you into the resale setup process. If the sell option doesn't appear, that usually means the ticket may not be eligible for resale through Ticketmaster, or the event organizer may have restrictions in place, but if the option is available, you can continue directly from there. Next, set your listing price. This is the amount you want to list the ticket for in the marketplace. As you choose a price, it's a good idea to be realistic and competitive so the ticket has a better chance of selling. Depending on the app screen, you may also see details about fees or what your expected payout will be after the sale. Read that information carefully so you understand exactly what you'll receive. After pricing the ticket, choose your payout account. This is where Ticketmaster will send your money once the ticket is sold. You'll typically be able to select a bank account or a debit card depending on what options are available in your app. Make sure the payout method you select is correct, since that helps avoid delays when it's time to receive your funds. Finally, confirm the listing. Once you do that, your ticket goes live for sale through Ticketmaster's system. The nice part is that Ticketmaster handles the ticket transfer automatically when someone buys it, so you don't need to manually send the ticket to the buyer yourself. And that's it. After your listing is confirmed, you can monitor its status in the app and wait for the sale to go through.